Hello and welcome to my Beginners Python Challenge series. This series of videos is aimed at beginners to Python programming. What I'm going to be doing is introducing you to challenges that are designed just for beginners and working through some model answers. I'm not going to be teaching any Python programming in these videos because I've just released a beginners programming course with Python. The link to that is in the description. If you want to learn how to program in Python and you're an absolute beginner, that course is perfect for you. Let's take a look at challenge number 1. So challenge number 1 is called variable swapping, and it says develop a program that swaps the values of two variables. Take two integer inputs, print the original values, then swap their values. Then print the updated values of the variables. So let's give this one a go. First up, I know I need a variable for the first number, num1, and I'm going to cast that to be an integer and then get some input. So the prompt is enter a number, just like that. And I need a second number, so I'll use num2. And same again, cast as an integer and prompt the user to enter a number. Now, we need to print out these values before we do the swapping. So we'll say, before swapping, num1 is, and use num1 variable, and num2 is, and we'll use our num2 variable here. Okay, let's do the swap. So I'm going to have a variable called temp, and I'm going to assign that to be num1. Num1 is going to be equal to num2, and then num2 is going to be equal to temp. So that's the swap. Let's print out these values now. So after swapping, we'll say that num1 is now equal to, and we'll use the variable num1, and we'll say that num2 is now equal to, and we can use the variable num2, just like that. So let's save and run. First number 66, 99, and we can see that before swapping, num1 is 66, num2 is 99, and after, num1 is now 99, and num2 is now 66. So that's how you do a simple variable swapping in Python.